Hello friends, here we are going to discuss the formula for the three-phase AC system, the power for the three-phase AC system. So basic formula we have used in morning lecture is the P upon 3 is equal to Vrms Irms into cos phi, and we use the term as a power transmitted per phase. And hence somebody asked me, ma'am, the per phase power is the root 3 times of VL IL cos phi. Yes, obviously, but this is to be the power transmitted and this is to be the measured values. When we use basically the root 3, we have to discuss here. So the for a single phase system, or you can say the basic formula for the power is the P is equal to V I cos phi. When you consider the single phase system, VPH is available across the phase, line voltage available between these two lines. So obviously the line voltage is equal to the phase voltage. So for a single phase system, line voltage, phase voltage are same. Similarly, whatever the current is passing through the line, same current is passing through the phase. So the line current is equal to the phase current. When you are representing these line values when you are getting the value of the voltage and current in this system by using the meters, the value obtained are always in terms of the RMS values, Vrms, Irms, and that's why you can write the equation P is equal to the Vrms Irms into cos phi. It may be the line value, it may be the phase value, but whatever the values are obtained from the meters are in terms of the RMS. So there is a difference between the line values, phase values and the RMS values. Line values are through the lines or between the lines. Phase values are through the phase or across the phase, and the RMS values are nothing but the values obtained from the meter itself. So that's why this is your actual or the useful power obtained for a single phase system. Same way, when you are going to represent the formula for the three phase system, so obviously as this is the formula for the single phase, you can write the formula for three phase only by multiplying with the 3. So 3 into Vrms into Irms into cos phi. So this is nothing but the total power from three phase system. As 3 is here, it is to be the total power for the three phase system. So power transmitted per phase is P upon 3, and that's why our equation becomes the Vrms Irms into cos phi, and hence in the morning's lecture we use the equation as a Vrms Irms cos phi for a per phase power. Now when we can use the root 3 equation. When you basically represent the equation for the line or the phase quantity, at that time you have to think over it. So suppose I use the same system as early, the star connected system is there. So I have to show the line current IL, and here is also the IL. Same current is passing through the phase also as it is the star system. So IPH and IPH is here. So for star connected system, IL is equal to IPH. But when you consider the voltage between the lines, so this is the voltage between the R and Y or Y and B or R and B, you can represent it as a line voltage VL. And the phase voltage is nothing but the voltage between one line and the star point. So this is the voltage across the phase. So we can represent it as a phase voltage. So phase voltage is available here across this phase also, across this phase also. And hence for a star connected system, VL is equal to root 3 times of VPH. And now when you are going to write the equation for the power for such a system, at that time you have to write it as a P is equal to 3 times of phase voltage into phase current into cos phi. Because this phase is nothing but single phase system, when you are going to multiply with the 3, it becomes a 3 phase system, 3 times of single phase. So that's why total power of 3 phase system is there when you are representing in terms of the phase. When you can convert the phase quantity into line quantity, it becomes 3 as it is. Vph now become as a what? VL upon root 3. From this equation, IL is nothing but IPH, so it remain as it is, into cos phi as it is, and hence it is equal to root 3 VL IL cos phi. And at that time you can say that the power for the star connected 3 phase system is nothing but P is equal to root 3 VL IL cos phi. Get it? When you have to write this equation in terms of the RMS value, it becomes a VRMS IRMS cos phi for a per phase system. This is the total power